A selected yeast strain to start with the alcoholic fermentation process. A small amount of our juice ferments naturally, where we don't add anything to it, because on the berries itself grows like wild yeast cells, and it ferments all on that yeast cells. Okay, so once the alcoholic fermentation starts in the tanks, the pips and the skins, which are still with the red juice, those rise to the top of the tank. It forms kind of blanket over the juice. What we then do is we stir it to extract more flavor, for more color, and then also for a small amount of oxygen that goes through to the juice to help all our fermentation. Then after the fermentation, all our white wines, except for the Sauvignon Blanc, are then drained into wooden barrels, whereas the red wines stays behind in the tank because we need further skin contact on the red wine to get the color. And then after a minimum period of 21 days, depending on the cultivar we're working with, the red wines will also be drained into the barrels. The skins goes back to the press. We press that skins again, and we use that pressed wine to top up our barrels because the wines evaporates from the barrels, and the barrels must be full at all times. Otherwise, the wine dies while it is in the barrel. Okay. What happened then in the wooden barrels is a second fermentation, namely the malolactic fermentation. That's the process where the bacteria, malic acid, is turned into lactic acid, and that is just what makes the wines much more sweet. Okay, that was my brief intro to a winemaking process, but there's a lot more to the show, so if you have any questions.